Greetings from Vista Higher Learning. We wanted to take this opportunity to show you where to find all of the listening content in the Temas para Español B program. Here we are on our landing page. You have the title of the book here. You have your carousel with all your lessons. And if we scroll down, we'll see basically a mirror image of all of the strands in the book are contained down the left-hand side with additional activities. And if we look down here, towards the bottom, we'll see all of our audio activities, all of our listening practice for this particular tema contained within the lesson. There's also a nice system of iconography that tells you the type of activity that it is. So here the headset icon means it's obviously a listening activity. The mouse icon means that it's replicated from the textbook. You have an apple icon, which means that this is an open-ended activity that if students submit it, you would need to assess it. The pencil means that it's a composition activity, and we also have two types of chat activities that students can do outside of class. They're excellent opportunities for students to practice their receptive, interactive, and productive skills. This partner chat is an asynchronous activity where students are communicating in real time. The conversation is recorded and then sent to you. The other type is our virtual chat, and those are asynchronous activities where students are responding to an avatar, but nonetheless it gives them wonderful additional speaking practice. You also have the Cinemateca, which of course is the film that's included, and the short film and additional activities related to the short film. So thank you so much for considering the Temas para Español B program. We look forward to hearing from you. Please let us know if you have any questions.